guys, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. My name is Julia and I'm wearing my I'm Santa's favorite sweater today just to get into the festivities vibes, you know. Today is a very random day because I don't know what the heck we're going to do today, but we're gonna figure it out. I actually think so. The original plan was I wanted to bake a cake with you guys. You know how I got the M&Ms and all that cool stuff with you guys, but I forgot my piping tips at my sister-in-law's house, so I have to go get those. But I can't go today. That video is gonna have to wait until like tomorrow or the day after. But today I decided, what should we do? And honestly, you guys, I really want to put the sticker on my glass cup, that Mickey Mouse sticker that I got on my Temu video. And I actually wanted to do coffee, but guess who forgot the coffee creamer that I showed you guys that I bought, the sugar cookie creamer. So guess who forgot it in the car and it went to bed? Me. It was me. So now I'm just gonna go to Safeway and get me another one. I don't even know if they have it at Safeway because I originally got it at Walmart, but Walmart is hella far from me. And I have decided to walk there because I just want to get my body moving. So I'm gonna walk over there, and Safeway is like a bit of a 20 to 25 minute walk for me. So I'm gonna get ahead and get going because it's already 3:15 p.m. and the sun sets like around 4 or 5. I'm not entirely sure. But I am not trying to be out there in the dark because I'm scared. So I'm going to go run over there and try to see if I can get the creamer. I'm going to speed walk all the way over there. And then maybe I'll see if they have tips there. Let's go because I do not want to get caught in the darkness. Oh my God, they also have this 7 Leaves cafe. Whoa. Let me not get you guys this. They also have this like 7 Leaves cafe that I want to try one day. Maybe one of these Vlogmases will go and we'll see what it tastes like. But not today. Today let's just go to Safeway and see what we find. I also have this Starbucks cup that I bought, and it is peeling so bad. Like, I washed it to try to use it because I was like, Christmas vibes, you know, because it's like, you know, the green and it's pink, but pretend it's red. And this thing, like, I had like a bunch of little stuff on my hands. It was in my hair. It was everywhere. And look at this. This all happened yesterday. Like, this is my first time using this cup, and there is a Starbucks inside that Safeway that I go to, and I highly doubt that they'll let me exchange it or get a discount for another cup because, one, I don't have the receipt, and two, I mean, I used it yesterday. But I'm gonna try to shoot my shot. I bet it can be decent. That would be awesome if they do, but I highly doubt it, but I'm gonna try it because I don't want this cup. Like, if they don't take it back, I'm just gonna throw it away because, girl, like, it is so annoying. This happened one time use, and look at this. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like, this thing was peeling so bad. I'm gonna stick it in my little baggie, and we're gonna walk ourselves all the way to Safeway, and we're gonna see what we can do about that. We're gonna see if we can get a coffee creamer. If not, I'm gonna get myself a kombucha and put it in there. All right, Also, you guys, I'm gonna put on my other sweater because if you know, you know, I am like the paranoid girl. I like double wearing. I like wearing my hoodie so no one messes with me. But I have been trying to watch people's Vlogmases, but I feel like Vlogmas isn't that popular this year. At least like my YouTubers that I watch, like, no one is really posting Vlogmas. And like, maybe that could be because everybody's like on TikTok now. But I loved Vlogmas, and I feel like no one's really posting it, you know. I mean, it is hard. Like, I understand. It's hard. It's hard work out here to be trying to do Vlogmas and vlogging every single damn day. But it kind of sucks. I walk out like this. This is how I would do my walks. This one is so pretty. Look how cute these little ones are. You guys remember the little Grinches that I bought that were up here? They're gone. They're all gone. Everybody bought them. Look how pretty this is. So aesthetic. Okay, so they didn't let me exchange my cup, which I figured, you know, I was just shooting my shot. I knew it wasn't gonna really happen, but I'm here now. I got my kombucha. I want to see if they have any Christmas donuts. I don't see any right now. So they don't have any Christmas donuts. They have like these little Cookie Monster ones, these sprinkles. I love the chocolate ones, but I really want a Christmas one. When I went to Dunkin' Donuts the other day, they also didn't have any Christmas donuts, and I was like, where's the holidays? Where is the holiday spirit here? I can't find it. Okay, now I'm going to get the creamer. Hopefully they have some, because again, it was Walmart where I bought it, but I'm really hoping. I think I saw online that Safeway also sells it, but who knows. Okay, creamers. I don't see it. It'd be in one of these Delight ones, but I don't think they even have it. Oh, found it in another section. You're coming home with me. Yay! So I bought my items. I'm so excited. I did see that they had the piping tips there too, but they were like $7, and I was like, girl, I already have some. Like, why am I gonna go spend more money and when I could just go pick mine up? Dunkin' Donuts is looking hella attractive right now. Like, I kind of want some, but at the same time, I need to stop drinking coffee. Like, I can't. Well, one, drinking coffee, and two, like, I can make coffee at home. And actually on my Christmas wish list, I want like a cold brew maker, and I think someone's already getting it for me perhaps. So there are gonna be coffees made at home, a café en la casa. All right guys, so I am back home. I made it safe and sound. It is actually dark right now. I feel like I just made it. Girl, can you, I don't know if you can tell, but can you see my hands? Like, if I grab it, even if I don't grab it from there, like, this thing is like peeling everywhere. I'm gonna use it for today, and then I'm gonna try to rub it all off, but if I can't save it, I'm just gonna throw it away. Like, I feel like it's not even worth the headache. This is like the daily struggle of like trying to film, because I'm like, where's the better lighting? Maybe over there. Let's go to the table. Sometimes the table's a little bit better, but okay, I have my glass cup and I have my sticker, which, oh my goodness, I just lost a nail. Great. I really want to get this I was gonna say cement glue, but they compare it to cement glue because it's so strong. It's this nail glue that I've seen going viral all over TikTok. I actually tried buying it on Amazon, but when I tried to check out, they were like, oh, this item is like discontinued, and I was like, oh, what the hell. Okay, so I read the directions on Temu, and it says to just clean with a microfiber towel and then press it in, and then they did say that once it's pressed, like, you can't move it anymore, like you can't just rearrange it. So one and done. This little jar, it was actually used to be a peach jar. I got these from Trader Joe's, and those peaches are so delicious. They're like floating in like grape juice. Oh my god, delicioso. Okay, let me get my microfiber towel and then we'll clean this up. We're gonna clean this up. Oh my gosh, you guys, these uñas, I am low-key over them. I think they're so ugly. Like, I don't know. I think they're so ugly. I don't like it, but we're gonna push through for a few more days and then I'll switch them again. Okay, wait, let me see if I can position this first. How high do I want it? I would say like here, or should I do it a little lower? Like that, maybe? Okay, well, it's gonna be one and done. I don't even remember where that was. I think I peeled back the sticker. Here we go. It's actually pretty scary. Well, that's where it's gonna be because that's where I stuck it on. Oh my gosh, I have so many air bubbles. Wait, am I supposed to like peel this off after, or does this sticker stay there? I have so many air bubbles. It's not even funny. Can you tell? Look at this. These are the moments where I should let my husband do things, because he will make sure this is done right. Okay, so the thing said to try to squeegee it out or use your nails. Oh my gosh, the amount of air bubbles I have is not even funny. Like, that is humongous. Can you even tell? Neta. So I think the whole slab just stays here. I thought I removed it after. Well, we're gonna have, we have 3D stickers. Let's just pretend we have 3D stickers. Oh my goodness, girl. Okay, I have another cup of these, so I'll probably make another one. But for now, this is what it's gonna be. We're gonna have a, this is why I don't have a small business, because I'm doing things like this. Like, look at this. Can you even tell? Look at this, all the damn air bubbles. You know what? De lejitos no se ve, and it's just for me. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, and then we're gonna drink our little kombucha in here. I had it in the fridge for a bit just because I did have it in my little drawstring bag, and I was walking Speedy Gonzalez, walking so fast because I was like, I'm screwed. And this is kind of carbonated, so I wanted it to settle a little bit so I wouldn't like spill it all over me. Look at this ugly nail. I just think the Grinch is ugly, like, no offense. Like, I just feel like the live action, like, I don't want to be... Don't smell kombucha because it smells disgusting. But it's good for your gut, okay? It's good for your gut. This is already clean, by the way. I'm just gonna pour her in slowly because you don't want any bubbles. ¿Quién te enseñó a hacer eso? I'm a beer drinking professional, and I know how to not make espuma. Woohoo! How cute! I'm gonna go get a straw. I like those little aesthetic ones that have like the brown lid and the little straw and stuff like that. Actually, I'm not gonna get a straw. I'm lazy. But here it is. Oh my god, and the drink actually looks so pretty. I feel like now you can tell for sure the air bubbles. Like, look at all these. Wait, can you even see them? Like, if we know that one for sure. Girl. Come on. Okay. It's okay. Here she is. Cheers, you guys. Delicious.
Guys said it's very good.
It has a lot of good stuff. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. As a kid say, no cap. Kombucha's kind of disgusting. It tastes a little echado a perder. It tastes a little like it went bad. Like, I do not drink this for enjoyment. I'm drinking this solely for the health benefits. But I'm gonna sip on this, and I'm gonna make myself some food because I am starving Marvin. I actually also bought a avocado. It's an avocado.
Avocado. Thanks.
You guys remember that little video from like God knows when? And I'm gonna make an avocado toast with huevos, and I know it's like 5, but this is going to be my dinner. Girl dinner. This is gonna be my girl dinner because I'm a lazy girl. That sounds very delicious to me, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm probably going to edit because the editing doesn't stop. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's just so freaking cute. I got this at Aeropostale like, what was it? Like 4 years ago. And it's so cute. It is like my favorite. It is so cute. It's so comfy. Honestly, I think it's PJs. I think it originally came with like, it was like the sweater and then like the little shorts, but I don't know what the heck happened to the shorts, but I love it and I will wear it as not PJs because it's so cute. Everybody should see that I'm Santa's favorite. Everybody should know that he prefers me. I'm just kidding. Okay, let me make my food because I'm hungry, girl, and I'll see whatever we do next. I don't know what we're gonna do next, but I'll see whatever we do next. Look at the spatulas.
Cool.
Okay, so we came to Target, and at least my Target in our location, it's starting to close at midnight because of the holidays, but since it's like still not close enough to December, it is so empty. It feels like almost illegal, not illegal, but I feel like I shouldn't be here. Like, it's so empty. I've never seen Target this empty, and it's so quiet too. It's kind of crazy. But anyways, we came to buy a bin, and what else did we come to buy?
Some powdered sugar and strawberries.
So delicious. We'll add one to our registry.
Look.
Cool. Oh yeah. What is it? Like a blender? This thing? Yeah. It looks good. I think you put the filter, like the coffee filter, and then it drips. Fancy, very fancy. We're in the most dangerous aisle for me, the chip aisle, because I'm trying. Well, supposedly I'm trying to eat good, but. All right, my friends. So we are back home from Target. We did buy this big old hefty storage bin because we really needed one. And then we also got some chippies because we will potentially have a drink tonight. Sometimes we have a little drink in us, we kind of get a little snacky, if you know what I mean. So we got some of these, and then also I got some cucumber because I'm gonna make tuna tomorrow. I think today that's gonna be the end of today's video. We're probably gonna watch a Christmas movie and then head on to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know today's video is probably very short, but that is literally what I did all day. There was not much that I did, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.